Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Renee. Y'all see that title. Today's video, I'm sharing all the fun projects we did for our unit study. While all of our hands-on projects were fun, the most memorable was the butterfly life cycle. Stay tuned to the end to see our little friends grow and go through the journey. Let's go ahead and get into it. So I felt like I needed to just jump back in and talk about our little garden shenanigans. We planted cucumbers, carrots, and corn. However, something got into our corn and ate it. And we had one surviving corn left, so I moved it to my porch. We then decided to not just leave the space empty, but let's just go ahead and plant some watermelon. Last but not least, butterfly life cycle, y'all. This was our most memorable project we did for our spring unit study. We loved it. Each one of my girls got 5 caterpillars each, and they named them. That's how invested they were with their caterpillars. Honestly, yeah, I feel like this project was really, really quick. It did not take long. It just seemed like, I don't know, at night, I don't know what they were doing, but the next day they were like twice as big as they were the night before. So the process did not last like very long, or long as I thought it was going to be, which was fine, but it was just very fascinating to watch. All right, so this is day 9. And everyone is pretty much where they're supposed to be. I don't want to take them out. Well, not take them out, but I don't want to move them because I don't want any one of them to accidentally drop. I will be devastated. So, day 9, and they are pretty much where they're supposed to be at this point. At least I think so. I could be making that up, but it's pretty cool. So guess what we did? Pretty much messed up, and look who already came out.
It's not.
So we have to try to figure out now how to get everybody moved without him flying around in the house.
Because we don't.
At this very moment, my entire body was clenched so tightly. I did not want to lose anybody. My kids were right there, and they are so invested in this project. At this point, these are my grandkids, and I could not lose anyone. I was so horrified. Y'all, my only regret with this project is it's just me switching them out from their cup into this net. I don't know what I was thinking, but that is my only regret, and it's totally my fault. I don't know when I dropped the ball, but I did. Other than that, 10 out of 10, we love this.
She's moving.
She's trying to knock him out of there.
She's like snapping it.
So we had to, I know it's hard to see.
She's really on the top of his head.
I don't know how we're going to get her in. Oh, wait a minute.
But Mom, even if she's... Oh my gosh, she's in there. She's in. But Mom, she's just going to wake up everybody else. Hey. No, she's probably going to eat them.
Oh, I don't think they're going to eat each other.
Well, that's what I would do.
Where did she go?
She's right behind here. She looks flabbergasted. She's probably like, ugh.
This is the inside of how it looks. Now it's time for the bittersweet part. Sweet part, all 10 of them made it. Bitter part, it is time to let them go. And for some reason, I have no idea why, but this was kind of hard for me to do. Let's go ahead and release them. Okay. See, all the rest are probably going to... There's another.